Welcome back guys to a new video. So today I'm outside and this side I'm going to make a new video on how to remove the bulb from your roof, the roof light bulb. So now I'm in the car. It's a 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So for those who don't know what type of bulb they use in their roof light, but they show you all. So first you need a flat pine screwdriver, which is this small flat spine. You're gonna prise it the corner like this. Here you go, pop one side, then you're gonna pull the other side. There you go. So now I get off the cover. So the switch for it. So I'm going to remove the bulb now. So now I remove the bulb. Okay, so the type of bulb it uses is hold on, KHA 12 volt 10 watt W10 37R. That's what's on the bulb. Now if you can make it out, you can see. Let's see if I can get a better view. It's a bit weird to focus, but I think I will see it. Okay, so here we go. It's not so clear, but you will see it. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it in back now. So I'm gonna put it back in the slot. Switch for it. Then we're gonna put it on the cover. Okay, first I'm gonna put in this side first. Shove these two sprung. Side first, and just snap it in like this, and there you go. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.